Welcome to Weld County Garage. My name is Taylor Dunn. I'm one of the sales associates here at Weld County Garage. Just wanted to take some time and explain how we're a little bit different other than the obvious of me standing on this giant billboard here. For one, just based upon simple customer review, we simplified the purchasing process by clearly displaying a one upfront fair price on all of our vehicles. I'm also part of a non-commissioned sales team, which allows us to save you time, stress, and money. Another thing that allows us to be a little bit more unique here is we actually care. I want to listen to your needs and your wants and find you that vehicle that fits those needs and lifestyle. I tell you one last thing, folks, you give me 10% of your trust right now, I'll earn the other 90%. Thank you for your time. God bless.